How to Texas rig. Step 1. We don't grab our hook. We grab our weight. Grab our line. Fish line through weight. Just like that. Now, we grab hook. Fish line through hook. We're going to do the best fishing knot, the polymer knot. Again. Give yourself some room. Overhand. Fish hook through loop. And tug. Cool. Grab our tag end. Clip it off, generally close. Should have this so far. Grab your worm. I'm using a power worm. I love the chartreuse tails. Stick on the head, just about right there to where it covers your hook. And we're gonna go ahead and stab it through. Slide her on down. Flip the worm head. Just keep fishing it through. I like to cover the eye and the knot. Then we're gonna line up your worm accordingly. That should be good. Hook it through. And you should have something like that. So when the fish bites down, your hook exposes. You get them right in the lip. And then, of course, you have your weight, which adds a little bit of action. See how that weight sits there and it just bangs? That right there, fish go crazy for. Then we come over here, get a good length going on. And we'll do our loop. And for a loop, I just do easy overhand knots. I like to do 5. 5 is a good number for me. It sounds good. It's something like this. Pull it together. Bam. It's kind of a big loop, but the fish aren't going to bite that. So we're not going to worry about it. Clip off our tag end. And there you have it. Texas rig. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And to store it, you can even wrap it up. Just like so. That way, you just put it in your tackle box and it's ready. But I went ahead and slapped it on my rod because I'm ready to roll. Let's go, Team Ardent. Rule the water.